Alrighty, we're back at it. So this is about as far as I got last night. Ended up getting this side not all the way off, head still bolted down. Had to fight with this. I've never had this happen before, but I had to pull the hub off with the spacer attached still because it won't come off. Now they just slide right on, but she don't want to slide right off. So I'll get a time lapse going, finish pulling this thing apart. And look at all that metal that made it up in the top. And yeah, I'll stop if there's anything good. As soon as we get it pulled apart, we'll zoom in on some damage. All right. All right, let's get this head pulled off and y'all can see firsthand what she looks like. Oh! Oh damn, just barely. Thought we almost got lucky. Let's see. Bring y'all in for a close-up. Okay. I mean, ooh, we started losing it right there too. I'm wondering if it might be worth, because I don't want to O-ring it, so I might drill the heads so we can utilize these bolts here, because it lost it there as well as right there and correlates to that one. Now on this side we lost it here, but this side was fine. So it's more of a pain in the ass to remove the heads, but at the end of the day, it's, if it'll hold everything in. Damn, look at that, like it just saw cut right through it. Now I thought I got lucky over here, because you look on that side, it's not too bad, but you look on that side, it's not as good. But that one's nothing compared to the other side. Nothing. All right. That don't look terrible. It always could be worse. Always could be worse. So, fish out what. It's just wild to me how this stuff makes it to where it makes it to. The pressure and the air that's in these engines got to be wild. I mean, you would think you're finding stuff in the valley, right? Like that's, it came out here. Makes sense. When you come over to the top of the cylinder head, like there's trash in there, and this is all head gaskets. So if you look on this head here, I mean, that head that I was just showing you, I've cleaned out already. But I mean, this head is full of it. So, all right, so now I need to find a machine shop that's here. And we'll see about getting it welded up. And as I said in the last video, Brodix doesn't no longer fix their own stuff. So, got to get both heads welded like that. And well, let's flip it around and let's see what this block looks like, if I can pull it apart with one hand. Oh, don't mind that. Damn. Yeah, nope. I'm gonna need both hands. So. Well, we got her off. So that one got toe up. That one's cut. This one is in multiple pieces. So still wild. At least it's, you can see right where it got. She got a little toasty. But at the end of the day, it's less, I mean, this side looks better than the other side. So, you know, we'll have to get her most likely just surfaced. And piston looks fine other than stuff that fell in after I pulled the head off. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's part of it, pushing limitations. So we'll continue putting this thing, pulling it apart, and stop when she's done. Alrighty, so we're gonna call it for now. Everything in the lower end looks great. Got no complaints, no issues, no nothing. So now I gotta find me a machine shop. Here's your passenger side. This one's got a little toe up a little bit. little bit. We lost the gasket on cylinder 3 as well. Doesn't feel bad. Totally lost it on 7 all the way around. You can see a little heat mark right there where it tried to cut through the cylinder. Same thing on that one. So yeah, gotta find me a local machine shop that's up on their stuff with this type of stuff. I'm sure there'll be a few around here. But anyways, we'll call it for now. And as soon as I got an update, we'll check it out. I'll check back in with you. But for now, it is what it is. Can't be mad. But yeah, we gotta slow this down a little bit too. She's she is much better than that shot blower I had. So anyways, see you guys on the next one.